All about Nana. This is the Race Sri Tutorials.
Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Race Sri Tutorial. So after long days, I'm started our channel. Please try to cooperate and encourage to our channel, that is Race Sri Tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to start our topic, the biological classification. It is a very important in NEET and MCET level examination. In this first lesson, what type of kingdoms are they, who are explained, we are going to start. So first one is earliest classification, which is explained by who Aristotle scientist. So mainly based on simple morphological characters, is took what is there, plants and animals. Plants, herbs, shrubs, long trees are there. Like this process is divided, and animals also, red blood cells is one group and those did not is another group. So red blood cells are also called as vertebrate and those did not is invertebrates are there. So next one is second kingdoms are there. Second kingdom, which is explained by who a Linnaeus scientist, that is the Plantae and Animalia. Okay, third kingdom. The third kingdom is what is that? Who are explained, who are included mean Haeckel scientist, which is includes Protista, Plantae and Animalia. The fourth kingdom name is what is that? Who are explained? Co-plant scientists. So that is Monera is included. It's mean Monera, Protista, Plantae, Animalia. 4 is there. The next one is what is that? Fifth kingdom. This fifth kingdom, which is fungi is there. This fungi is included by who R.H. Whittaker scientist. So this R.H. Whittaker is explained fifth kingdom. So based on what type of characteristics are they? That is important one. So mainly the R.H. Whittaker is based on fifth kingdom. What type of characteristics is present? That is important in NEET and MCET level examinations. So what type of characteristic? It is very easily understanding purpose. I created psychological clue, that is SO NRP. What's our SO NRP? S, cell structure. O, thallus organization. N mean nutrition. The next R mean reproduction. P mean phylogenetic relationship. So mainly these type of characteristics, R.H. Whittaker is included this fungi concept. This 5 kingdoms is completed. What about 6th kingdom? We are going to start. Yes, we have studied what is that 5th kingdom. We are going to enter 6th kingdom. The 6th kingdom, which is explained by Carlos scientist, he is very simply Monera is classified 2 parts. So bacteria and archaebacteria. The remaining as is what is that? Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. That's it. Okay. So one more important, the Carlos and along with co-workers, there are explained what is that? 3 domains or categories. What are these? Bacteria, archaebacteria and eubacteria. And the next last final one, the 7th and 8th kingdom, which is explained by who, sir? Smith scientist. So the next video will continue and that one. So please subscribe and share it my channel. Thank you and your Srinivas.